were big cats, real wild and fierce and fast. My coat has stripes. Our coat are a plain color. Our coats have spots, but we don't look the same. I am a tiger. I'm the biggest of big cats. I live in Asia. I hunt at night. During the day, I stay in the shadows. My stripes help me hide in the long grass. I am a lion. I am the second biggest of the big cats. I live on the grassland of Africa. I live in a group called a pride. I have a loud, fierce roar. I am a leopard. I live in Africa and Asia. I'm a very good climber. I'm so strong that I can drag an animal I have killed into a tree. I am a mountain lion. Sometimes I'm called a puma or a cougar. I live in North and South America. I make a loud cry that sounds like a scream, but I also make a soft whistle. I am a cheetah. I live on the grassland of Africa. I am the fastest of the big cats. I can run at 100 kilometers per hour. That's fast. I am a jaguar. I live in South America. It's in forest where I can hide safely and hunt animals to eat. I have spots, but some jaguars are all black over. We're big cats. We're wild and race and fast. We hunt animals for our food, but some people hunt us for our fur, or because they think we kill their farm animals. We think people are more dangerous than big cats. 好了。